Now that we have learned what authority figures are, which categories they fall in, and some specific examples of authority figures and their roles and responsibilities, we're going to practice writing about these authority figures. So on the screen, you see a writing organizer on the right side and a paper with a picture of an authority figure with some facts about the authority figure on it on the left. Using the authority figure and the information it gives, we're going to fill out the writing organizer. So in the topic of the writing organizer, we are going to put who the authority figure is. So we see on the left side that our informational paper tells us that the authority figure is a teacher. So we are going to write our authority figure is a teacher. Now, we're going to look over here at the details or the facts about the authority figure that our informational paper gives us. So it says teachers are found in classrooms. Teachers fall under the school category for authority figures. Teachers have to enforce rules like being respectful in the classroom to keep students safe and ready to learn. So right here under our detail, I'm going to write one of the facts that is on our authority figure informational paper. So the first fact it says is teachers are found in the classroom. So I'm going to write teachers are in the classroom. Another detail it tells us is teachers fall under the school category of authority figures. So the next detail I'm going to write is that teachers are in the school category. And then the last detail I'm going to write is based on the last fact it gives us. It says teachers have to enforce rules like being respectful in the classroom to keep students safe and ready to learn. So the last detail I'm going to write is that teachers have to enforce rules to make sure students are safe and can learn. So we learned all of that from this informational sheet about our authority figure, right? So now in the conclusion, we are going to decide what role we think the authority figure might have in the school. And we're going to do that based on all the information we just learned. So we learned our authority figure is a teacher, they're in the classroom, they're in the school category of authority figures, and that they have to enforce rules to make sure students are safe and can learn. So from all of that, I think we know that the role of a teacher is to make sure students are learning in school and that they are safe. We are now going to use the information from our writing organizer to write a paragraph about our authority figure. So we're going to go to the topic first, and our topic says, our authority figure is a teacher. So now I'm going to write as our introductory sentence, the authority figure I am writing about is a teacher. The introductory sentence is the first sentence in your paragraph, and it introduces your topic. Now we're going to write some sentences for the middle of our paragraph that are based on these details that we learned. So one of the details we learned are teachers are in the classroom. We also learned that teachers are in the school category. So I'm going to write teachers fall under the school category and are found in the classroom. Then the last detail we have says teachers have to enforce rules to make sure students are safe and can learn. So now I'm going to write teachers make sure everyone follows the rules in order to keep students safe and to help them learn. Now we're going to look at our conclusion and write a conclusion paragraph. A conclusion sentence. Now, the conclusion of our paragraph is the last sentence, and it should wrap up everything we've talked about. So what we are learning from all this information is the role of a teacher, which means that we are pulling together all the information that we have to decide what the role of that teacher is and make a conclusion. So we are going to write as our conclusion paragraph, the role of a teacher is to make sure students are learning in school and that they are safe, just like we wrote in our writing organizer. So if you write incomplete sentences in the writing organizer, you don't have to change it that much when you put it all together. But if you just put ideas in the writing organizer, you're going to have to change it into sentences when you write your paragraphs. So now, our entire paragraph about our authority figure says, the authority figure I am writing about is a teacher. Teachers fall under the school category and are found in the classroom. Teachers make sure everyone follows the rules in order to keep students safe and to help them learn. The role of a teacher is to make sure students are learning in school and that they are safe.